How to improve self-confidence. Self-confidence is one of the most important qualities a person can develop. It is the belief in your own abilities, skills, and potential. A confident person is more likely to achieve goals, face challenges, and handle difficult situations effectively. The good news is that self-confidence is not something people are born with. It can be developed through practice and positive habits. One of the best ways to improve self-confidence is to set small and achievable goals. When you accomplish even a small task, you feel a sense of success. These small victories gradually build confidence and motivate you to take on bigger challenges. Instead of focusing on what you cannot do, focus on what you can do and keep improving step by step. Positive thinking also plays a major role in building self-confidence. Many people lose confidence because they constantly think about their weaknesses and failures. Instead, try to focus on your strengths and achievements. Replace negative thoughts such as, "I can't do this," with positive statements like, "I will try my best," or "I can learn and improve." A positive mindset helps you believe in yourself and your abilities. Another effective way to build confidence is to improve your skills and knowledge. The more prepared you are, the more confident you will feel. Whether it is studying for an exam, learning a new skill, or preparing for a presentation, practice and preparation reduce fear and increase confidence. Continuous learning helps you feel capable and ready for new opportunities. Taking care of your physical health is equally important. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep can improve your mood and energy levels. When you feel physically healthy, you are more likely to feel mentally strong and confident. Good posture, eye contact, and a smile can also make you appear and feel more confident. Learning from mistakes is another key to self-confidence. Everyone makes mistakes, and failure is a natural part of life. Instead of feeling discouraged, view mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Successful people often fail many times before achieving their goals. What makes them successful is their willingness to keep trying despite setbacks. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can also boost your confidence. Friends, family members, teachers, and mentors who encourage you can help you believe in yourself. Avoid spending too much time with people who constantly criticize or discourage you. Finally, practice self-confidence every day. Speak clearly, express your opinions respectfully, and step out of your comfort zone whenever possible. Confidence grows through action. The more you face challenges and overcome them, the stronger your confidence becomes. In conclusion, self-confidence can be developed through positive thinking, goal setting, continuous learning, healthy habits, learning from mistakes, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. Building confidence takes time, but with a consistent effort and determination, anyone can become more confident and achieve greater success in life.